Let's take this question number 27. It says, or 24, it says, the number 1621 was subtracted from 6244 in base x. If the result was 4323, find x. So this is from the topic number base. So let's quickly do this. So the secret to getting this one is converting each of these number to base 10. But first, let's write out this word problem in equation form. So this number was subtracted from this. So this one comes first. 6244 base x minus 1621 base x. And the result, if the result was that, the result was 4323 in base x. So we are to find the base at which this subtraction took place. So the secret to do this is converting each of this number to base 10. And from there, you'll be able to find your x. So converting numbers to base 10, first we assign powers to each figure from the units towards the left. So the first figure here is 0, assign 0, 1, 2, 3. Then this one, 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So let's start our conversion. Here will be 6 times the base, and the base is what? X. The base raised to the power of 3. Base raised to the power of 3 plus 2 times the base, which is x, raised to the power of what? 2 plus 4. 4 times the base, which is x, raised to the power of what? 1 plus 4 times x. The base is x, raised to the power of what? 0. We bracket that because that's for this first number. Minus, we go for this second number, open bracket for it. This will be 1 times the base, which is x, raised to the power of what? 3 plus 6 times the base, raised to the power of 2 plus 2 times the base, raised to the power of what? 1 plus 1 times the base, which is x, raised to the power of what? 0, equals to this one. We also convert it to base 10. That will be 4 times x, raised to the power of what? 3 plus 3 times x, raised to the power of 2 plus 2 times x, raised to the power of 1 plus 3 times x, raised to the power of what? 0. So if we continue from here, what we'll have is 6x raised to the power of 3 plus 2x raised to the power of 2 here plus 4x, and here anything raised by 0 is 1, so this is 4 times 1, 4 plus what? 4 minus 1 times that will give you x raised to the power of 3, 6 times that 6x squared plus 2x plus x raised by 0 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1, be close. Then equals to 4 times that will give you 4x raised to the power of 3, 3x squared plus 2x plus 3. So now I will try getting rid of this bracket So there is minus here. We are is like a minus one here. So that minus will multiply through everything on this bracket. By the time it multiplies, that's how we remove the bracket. So here we have 6x cubed 2x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 1 times that will give you minus x cubed minus times that minus 6x squared minus times that minus 2x minus times that minus 1 equals to what we have here, 4x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 3. So we proceed. Now, you don't just start subtracting. You can only operate like terms. You can only subtract terms that have the same variable and the same power. For instance, 6x raised to the power of 3, you cannot add it with 2x raised to the power of 2. They are not like terms. Reason being that this one have 2x raised to the power 2, its power is 2, while this one is 3. So you can only operate the one that has the same term. So the one that has the same term with 6x raised to the power 3 is minus x cubed and 4x cubed. But first, let me finish what is on the left hand side before operating with the right hand side. So here we have 6x cubed minus x cubed. Then we have plus 2x cubed minus 6x cubed. 6x squared, sorry. This 2x squared. Sorry about that. Plus 4x here minus 2x here plus 4. It's like them here is minus 1 equals to what we have here, 4x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 3. So this minus this will give you 5x cubed. 2 minus 6 will give you minus 4x squared. 4 minus that will give you plus 2x, and then 4 minus that will give you plus 3 equals to 4x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 3. Then we operate the left and the right by collecting like terms. So 5 raised to the power of 5x cubed here, its like term is 4x cubed. So we bring 4x cubed to the left, and it is 4x cubed is plus here. When you bring it to this side, it becomes minus. So here we'll have 5x cubed minus 4x cubed. Then we continue. Here is minus 4x squared. Its like term is here. Its like term is on the right hand side, 3x cubed, and we bring it over. That will be minus 3x squared. So the next term here is plus 2x. Its like term is 2 plus 2x here. So we will bring it, that's minus 2x. So here we have plus 3. Its like term on the right side is plus 3. If you bring it to the left, it becomes minus 3 equals to nothing is left on this side again, 0. So we proceed. 5 minus 4 will give you x raised to the power of 3. And then minus 4x squared minus 3x squared will give you minus 7x squared. 2x minus 2x will give you 0. 3 minus 3 will give you 0. So this one is gone and this one is gone. So we're left with this equals to 0. So when you take this on to the x raised to the power of 3 will be equals to plus 7x raised to the power of 2. Raised to the power of 2. So let me write it out again. X raised to the power of 3 equals to 7x raised to the power of 2. So you see that there are two x here. If you divide both sides by x squared, if you divide both sides by x squared, this x squared will cancel this x squared, while this x squared will cancel 2x squares from here. You know, x raised by 3 means x times x times x. So 2 of it will go. So you'll be left with what? X equals to 7. So our x equals to 7. So the base at which that operation was performed, the base at which that operation was performed was base 7. Option A. Thank you.